Welcome to our video on Bitcoin in 2025. What is it, and why is it significant today? Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records transactions securely. Understanding wallets is crucial. They help you store and manage your Bitcoin safely. In 2025, Bitcoin continues to impact the economy, influencing trends and predictions for digital currency. Understanding regulations is key in 2025 as Bitcoin's legal status continues to evolve globally. Let's explore the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin compared to traditional currencies. As we gaze into the future, potential innovations in Bitcoin technology stand to reshape its landscape. Every investment includes risks. Understanding common pitfalls is crucial for investors in 2025. Getting started with Bitcoin can be simple. Here's a straightforward guide for beginners. In conclusion, as we review Bitcoin's journey in 2025, keep these key points in mind.